guess what time it is? Good job, Karen. That's a nice way to start off the video. Okay, let's try this again. Hey, everybody, or gorgeous babes, I should say. Here is the Ipsy Plus for June 2019. I am super excited, super excited. Jackson loves to be in my videos. Say hi real quick, but then I gotta get down to business.
Okay. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? Exactly. Thank you.
Hey, Mommy.
All right. I cannot right now. Not right now. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. It comes with a, well, this is Block Party. Welcome to Ipsy Block Party. With a card talking about all of the products. And let's see what we got in here this month. Ooh, I can already see it already. Oh. Yep. Karen is happy. Karen is, okay. I see a Sunday Riley Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. Wow, that's huge. Definitely full size. Oh, Sunday Riley products, if you do not know, Google them. They're expensive. Oh, yeah. And I paid, this is a $15 a month thing. It comes out to like $16.20. Sometimes it's $17.20. I don't know. I want to see how this smells. It retails for $65. Look how rich that is. Oh, my God. Can you, wait. Oh, the smell is amazing. I'm not even going to lie. Look at how rich that is. I love it. Oh, wow. Almost like orange creamsicle again. Better, it's just my nose. Last month we got a lotion and I smelled like an orange creamsicle all day. It was like, I don't know, I just loved it. Anyhow, so then we've got the Tetris Game On eyeshadow palette. Okay. Let's see what we got here. It's green. Does it have a mirror? It does. Well, this is cute. It's cute packaging. We've got Game Changer, Stack It Up, Block Party, Game Day, Game Night, and Game Over. All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3 shimmers, 3 mattes. I will definitely have to do a tutorial on this. That's not bad. It retails for $24. Okay, what do we have next? A liquid velvet. Is it Ciate? I don't know. I never say this right. Liquid Velvet Moisturizing Matte Liquid Lipstick in Pinup. Pinup, huh? Value is $19. Here it is. Shall we swatch it? Why not? That's what the wand looks like. It's very creamy. And it is a dark color. It might be, I don't know if I could do a dark color. I probably could. I'll try it. I'm sure I'll try it. So, let's see what else. Where's my bubble wrap that I used? I'm wiping stuff off with bubble wrap today because I'm too lazy to get paper towels. All right, that's going to make a mess. I'm going to have to wash that off. Yeah. See? Yeah, Karen's lazy today. All right, so next product. What do I see? A mascara. Let's find... Oh, here we go. On the back. Mascara. It's valued at $18. It is Pixie. Oh, okay. I've heard good things about Pixie. Double brush mascara. Lash lift. Value is $18. It says a mascara, not one with 2 wands. Now I'm wondering how that's going to be. But I'm not going to open it because I just opened my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and mascara, and I just finished my Wander Beauty. And you know how these things go fast. So I'm not going to open this, but I definitely may do a review on it. All right, so the last thing we have is Farrah brushes. There's a beautiful set of Farrah brushes. The value is $50. Get out. I have a few Farrah brushes, and I don't even really use them, but I don't have the eye ones. So let's see what these babies. Oh, they feel kind of like good quality. Well, no, they don't. All right. The It Cosmetics brushes, they are good quality. And I don't like all of their products, but they are. These ones, definitely cheap. All right, so let's see what we got. Is it going to break down the brushes for me, or is it just going to tell me they're 5-piece eye perfection set? All right, so you got an angled brush here. You have a shader brush. You've got a blending brush, a crease brush, and looks like another blending brush. Oh, no, this one says shading. Large shading brush. Mini tapered blending. 35E tapered blending, so it's a larger one. Fly wings. There's no way I could do a wing with that. Look how fluffy this is, like for real. You ain't winging nothing with that. At least ain't gonna be a sharp one. And what was the last one that I dropped? They feel very plastic. Short shading. They're dense. I mean, they look like they would work as far as shading and packing on color, but I have to be honest. They feel so incredibly cheap. I wouldn't pay $50 for that. Absolutely not. So that's it. That's what we got. Mascara. The brush is set. It's an eye brush set. We got the Sunday Riley Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. And we got the palette and the lip gloss. All for 15 bucks. And it's valued way over. I'll total it and put it in here. Let me know what you think. Do you guys get the Ipsy Glam? Do you like it? This is my second or third box. And I do like them, but the palettes that come in them, I think they're overpriced, and I think that's why they throw them in there, and that's my personal opinion. I mean, but you know, everybody's got their own opinions. But anyhow, thank you so much for joining me with this video. I appreciate you all for watching. I'm so close to 1.4K subscribers, and I just have to thank you all so very much for being so loyal and so supportive. Kisses to you. Have a wonderful, wonderful night. Take care. I'll see you in the next one.